Hello there again, it's Jack from 𝗠𝗘𝗗𝗜, and today I'm here to talk about a quick tutorial, and it's how to install the seat from start to finish. So starting with the base plate, I'm just going to just put this straight on the scooter. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to do two of the four retaining bolts here, just for ease of watching, but in real world use, you're going to want to install all four of these. Okay, now that you've got your base plate installed, the next step is to get the in-between area, the seat pole. So to do this, I'm just going to rest it here. There's a securing bolt here, 5mm. Just ease that through. And there's also, on the other end, another 5mm securing bolt that will go through and secure this. So taking either a long Allen key, or in this case I'm using a long T-bar with a 5mm on it, and also separately to that I'm using a ratchet with a 5mm Allen key head on it. I'm just going to place this here and just secure the bolt so that it's tight and it's not going to sort of have any free play. I'm just going to push the locking assembly in place and just do that clamp up. So by this point you've got little to no free play before you install your seat. So making sure this clamp is loose and not sort of tensioned, I'm just going to slide my seat assembly into the hole, position your seat, and you're going to just turn this clamp and then secure it. So the seat won't go up or down. The seat locks in place as well, like so. It's also completely adjustable, the height and the positioning of the seat here. To get around this, obviously you're going to do the bolts here up to sort of secure the seat in place at your desired level. To adjust the height as well, I'm just going to undo this clamp, set it to the height you'd like, make sure the clamp is nice and tight, and do the clamp up. And that's your seat installed. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.